Yes guys, the title is correct. I've played Call of Duty Advanced Warfare. Now let me explain. Don't know if you guys know who Why So Quirky is. They are YouTubers and good friends of mine that go to the same school as me. One of them personally asked me to come round on his Xbox One to play Call of Duty Advanced Warfare. And I have to tell you guys, it was incredible. Amazing game. I thought it was a little bit like Titanfall at first, but then I realised it is a whole new world. So yeah guys, just wanted to give you an update on that, because I think it's an amazing game. You guys need to get it. I'm buying myself an Xbox One. Yeah, did I tell you that? I'm buying an Xbox One to get Call of Duty Advanced Warfare on and play with my friends like Jack, which is the guy from Why So Quirky, who's let me play on his Xbox One to play the game. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll keep you updated. Peace! Yes guys, it's me, Commentary Blow. Now, I'm here to bring you a special video.